created this video to assist those of you who want a little refresher in how to read a formula. What I'm going to do is take you step by step through one of the most basic formulas in statistics, which is the mean or the average, RN average. The mathematical formula, sometimes you'll see it written in different ways. Sometimes you will see it as a capital M, or sometimes you'll see the formula as an X with a line over it. And we are going to use the first formula because this is the formula that is in our textbook. And then what I'm going to do is take you through each of these different symbols and tell you what they mean and how to read those. We'll begin by using these set of numbers in our formula. And just as a reminder, the M stands for mean or average. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take our set of numbers and I'm going to put them vertically because this is the easiest way of doing mathematical computations. And the first symbol we're going to look at is this first symbol here, and this is called a summation symbol. And basically what this tells you is when you see this symbol that you're going to add everything that comes behind the symbol. The next symbol is an X, and basically the X represents the scores in the distribution. Here, usually in statistics, the first distribution that we look at, we usually label X. So this will be our X distribution, and these are each of the scores are, each one is an X in this distribution. So when we put these two together, the summation sign and the X, it's telling us to add up all the X's in our distribution. So if we add 10 and 5 and so forth, we add these together, we're going to get 84. Now moving to the last symbol in our formula is the capital N. And capital N refers to the number of the scores in the distribution. So basically we're just going to add up the number of scores. And we have 12 scores here, so our N will equal 12. Now if we put all of the elements together, and one of the things that I recommend for any student in statistics, and in fact I do this myself when I'm doing computations by hand, is when you write out your formula and you know that you need to have these different elements in order to compute the formula, what I do is I set up a box and I put in the different elements I need to complete the formula. And then as I gather these different elements, I have them ready, and then when I have all the elements, I can put them together and then compute my formula. So here we have the summation of X is 84. We have an N of 12, and so we divide 84 by 12, and that gives us 7. So putting everything together, this formula for these set of numbers, our mean equals 7, or the average of these 12 numbers is 7.